Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learn Zone Blue plugin in After Effects. It's a free plugin, so let's get started. First we import the image and draw a shape line. After complete this, we add trim path and change line cap into a round cap. Then we set the key on trim path according to me. Then we applied free gradient plugin. If you want this plugin, just watch this video. Then we change the color and we adjust the keyframe according to us. Then we apply deep glow effect and change exposure and radius. Then we pre-compose the layer and change name into light. Then we select the image layer and go to the Zone Blue plugin and click on here. Then we adjust the mask and press Ctrl D. Then we repeat the same process. Then we add a adjustment layer and apply on CC light shift effect and set the key on center. And it's done. If you want this plugin, just DM me on Instagram. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials. Thank you.